Histograms. Kapow! Alright, select your data. Next, go to Insert. Let's move over here to where the charts are. Let's look for the one that looks like a histogram. Let's pick that. Kapow! Bam! Now, next step, let's change the title. Once you've done that, select your data. Let's look over here at this menu over here. Let's switch this. Series options. I'm looking for horizontal axis. Where are you? There you are. Okay, once we get to the horizontal axis, I want to change the number of bins. Let's change it to 6. 6 is such a great number. Oh, look at that. Perfect number of bins. Let's see, what would make this even better? Oh, I know. Let's go to the vertical axis. Let's select that. Oh, you know what would make this better? Some tick marks. You know what I like? I like the minor kind. I especially like it when they're crossed. Let's change that. Awesome. You know what we're missing? We're missing some axis labels. Oh, not an easy way to do that in Microsoft Excel. However, we can go to Insert and come over to find a text box. Let's do that. Let's put one on the horizontal axis here. What's a good label? How about this? I don't like the outline on that though. Kind of looks sloppy. I'm going to turn that off. Great. Now we just need one on the vertical axis. I'm going to just copy and paste. Do a little spinny spoo. Kapow! And there we go. Histogram, y'all.